This is Gary with Ultra Plumbing, and I'm going to teach you how to be a plumber. So this video is going to show you how to install an air switch. We have a sink here, we have a garbage disposal, and we have a hole in the sink top for the button. So here we have the air switch kit, and I'm going to show you all the parts that came with it so you can confirm that your kit has them or some comparable parts to these. The first part here is the control box. It's the box that the air switch hose will connect to, and then the box plugs into an electrical outlet. Here we have a black air hose that goes from the button to the control box. And then here we have the actual button itself. This button gets mounted in the hole in the countertop, and it's what you press to activate the disposal. This small nut at the bottom that I just took off is where the air hose actually connects to. And now I'm taking off the large nut that actually holds it down to the countertop here. See, I'm screwing off this large nut. This large nut is what holds it to the sink top. And that small nut is what holds the air hose onto it. When you look at the bottom here, you'll see that little tube in the center of that hole, and that's what you would push the air hose over. And then the nut tightens onto there to hold it on there snug. And here I'm just going to show it in some different lighting so you can really see the tube in the center where the air hose goes. So to install the air switch, the first thing you want to do is put the button through the hole in your sink top like that. And then you want to screw the large nut onto it from below like this. Once you have it tight, you're going to grab the small nut and your air hose and just slip the nut with the threaded side facing up onto the hose like that. And again, you want the threaded part of that nut facing the end of the hose. Then you're going to stick the hose onto the center of the underside of the button, the thing I showed you earlier. Just push that air hose onto that little nub that's in there. And once it's on there real good, you got it pushed on like so. Then you're going to push the small nut up to the bottom of the button and tighten this small nut. See, we got the air hose on there tight. And now we're going to push up the small nut and tighten the small nut onto there just to hold it snug and make sure it doesn't come back off. Next, you're going to do the same thing with the other end of the air hose, but this time you're going to connect it to the box instead of the button. So we slip that small nut over the air hose like so, with the threads facing the end of the hose. And then we're going to take the air hose and we're going to push it over the center of this little connection here on the bottom of the box. We're just going to push it over that little pronged piece in there so it gets on there nice and tight. Once it's pushed on there like so, then you're going to tighten the small nut to the box to hold it snug. So now we got our button in place with our air hose connected from the button to our control box. Next, we're going to plug the garbage disposal into the control box, and then we just need to find a good spot to mount the control box. I'm thinking we're going to mount it right here. Oftentimes they'll come with some mounting tape on the back of them already, as you see this one does. So you just pull off this strip and then you can stick it to the side of the cabinet. As you see, there's also holes in the box where you can mount some screws as well. But this box isn't very heavy, so we find that the mounting tape works pretty well. So we're just going to stick it to the back of the cabinet like so. And then once it's mounted, all we got to do then is just plug in the control box to an outlet with power, and then you're pretty much done. And now we can try it out. Nice. Sounds good. Now we just gotta peel off this protective plastic off the button, and we are officially done. Congratulations, you've installed an air switch for a garbage disposal. I knew you could do it. You wanna hit it?
Yeah.
Anyway, that's our video, and we appreciate watching. This is Gary with Ultra Plumbing, out.